Okay, so this is 2009 OUT previous year question. First question देखो. The paleontology is the study of fossil. Which of the following deals with the plant and environmental relationship? That is the ecology. Study of the disease of different plant is the pathology. Simple है भाई, simple. Then the science of vegetable culture is called as the olericulture. The pedology is the science of soil. Basic unit of classification is the species. କାରଣ ତଳଟା ହେଉଛି species genus family order then ହେଉଛି kingdom ଉପରକୁ ଆସିବୁ ନା, ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା species is the lowest order of classification. Okay. And who is the father of taxonomy? ସେ ହେଉଛି Carlos Linnaeus. And which spread the cyst of entamoeba histolytica? ସେଟା ହେଉଛି house fly. Schaffner granules are found in a malaria patient. And that is red blood cell ହେଲା କି କେଉଁ ଜାଗାରେ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ନା red blood cell ଦେଖାଯାଇଥାଏ, ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନା? And plasmodium is the dash. Plasmodium ହେଉଛି monogenetic in nature. Regulation of water in the body is called the osmoregulation. A tail of tadpole larva is lost in adult Hardmania due to the ଆମର predation ହେଲା, sorry, I am so sorry, it is tedatism, not predation, it is tedatism. Most characteristic feature of the plant cell is the plastid present. ATP transport is the function of mitochondria. ATP transport होचे mitochondria गोटे function. Mitochondria are activated by the nucleus. Peroxisomes were discovered by D. Dubé. The activities of all living cells are controlled by the nucleus. The site of respiration within the cell is the mitochondria. Okay. So let's move to the 19th number question. 19 देखो. Animal cell is limited by the plasma membrane. Which of the following is described as the energy currency of the cell? That is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. The acrosome of human sperm is formed by the Golgi body. Crossing over of chromosomes takes place during the meiosis. Genetic crossing usually takes place during the meiosis 1. During meiosis, the chromosome number is halved. In a plant cell, cell plate formation is centrifugal. Cell plate formation टा centrifugal order रे जीवो, जानिଛ ना centrifugal टा. So during the meiosis, the chromosome number is halved. In plant cell, cell plate formation टा होची centrifugal. A transformed cell of the body which has lost control over its division ताको cancer cell बोली कहंदी. Cancer cell टा केमती प्रोड्यूस हुए कि गोटे जगह डिविजन होतबो सेल जे अनकंट्रोल डिविजन हबो, माने ताको संभाली हबनी, डिविजन हेगा बड़ हे जो पर एटा कैंसर सेल. Viruses which cause cancer are known as the oncogenic viruses. पूरा short form question. The chromosome are made up of the DNA. Centromere are found in the secondary construction. एकदम simple. Then our hybrid has dash both nuclei of the two fusing cells. Out of the genes are arranged on the chromosome. Gene उड़ा chromosome ऊपर arrange होगी थांती. RNA is found only in the cytoplasm. RNA टा cytoplasm रे देखा जाए थे. Okay. So then 33 है ना. RNA has which of the following sugar? RNA पाखरे को sugar अच्छे ना राइबोस sugar अच्छे है. The amino acid proline is coded by the CCU, CCA, CCC सबू तक द्वारा coded है जीवो से. माने all of the above. Mendel was born at the Vienna city. The A, B, ABO type of human blood groups were discovered by the Carl Landsteiner. Okay. AB blood group is an example of codominance. Simple. Antigens are also called agglutinogens. The antigen present in blood group A is the small a. I think it is not small. I think it is small b हवा कथा लागे. एटा ऑप्शन पर भूल देइछे. The water is lost from the plant body by the both A and B माने transpiration as well as guttation, not guttation, guttation. Okay. 41 देखो. 41 टा होचे कोन. The rate of transpiration is measured by the potometer. Dilution of the milk with water involves the diffusion. DPD माने कोन. DPD full form होचे diffusion pressure deficit. Diffusion pressure of pure water is the 0. A primary carnivore is also called a secondary consumer. Okay. तो 46 देखिबा. Chipko movement is associated with the ଆମର SI ବହୁଗୁଣା। The national headquarter of NIRI is at the Nagpur. DDT is a stand for bio non-degradable pollutant. Okay. And then 49. Two-wheelers can become environmental hazards mainly because of their exhaust fumes. We can find which of these birds only in the jungle. That is hornbill. In a pond ecosystem of food chain begins with the phytoplankton. Phytoplankton द्वारा ही होता है. Okay. Okay, so 53. A food chain starts with the photosynthesis. The interconnected food chains are called food web. Theory of panspermia was proposed by the Orparin. The theory of biogenesis was proposed by the Louis Pasteur. The theory of chemical evolution was hypothesized by A. Orparin in 1924. Okay, so Archaeopteryx is link between the reptile and birds. Mutation theory was proposed by the Hugo de Vries. The first life on Earth was animal life. Paratonic movement are phototropism haba, geotropism haba, thigmotropism bhi haba. That is all of the above. Which of the following is known as the age of mammals? माने Paleozoic era. Growth in a plant organ involves all of this: cell division, cell elongation, tissue differentiation. सब तक हबो. IAA plays a role in the both A and B. Phototropism रे भी हबो, cell elongation भी काम करिवो से. ठीक अछि ना नहीं? Okay, so let's check the 64 number question. Okay, so 64. Gibberellic acid was first obtained in crystalline form by the Yabuta. The naturally occurring gaseous hormone is ethylene. ABA has the ability to influence the geotropism. Movement of roots towards gravity is in the case of positive geotropism. The dropping movement of leaves of Mimosa pudica, Mimosa plant when tossed, is the thigmonasty. Okay, thank you very much.